Stereolithography is nothing more than a laser shooting into a vat of liquid resin. And when that laser hits that liquid resin, it cures at that point. Every time it drops down into the vat, the laser will shoot 1.5 times to adhere itself until the part's fully grown. We've had the SLA process here for about 20 years. We do a lot of radar and parts that fly. So it's really important that we get these parts quick and we make sure that they fit. And that's where this technology comes into play. And it just allows us to service our engineering every day quick with accurate parts so they can do a better job fitting their parts into the aircraft. What's exciting is we want to start building multi-material parts. And as we move forward, this is the technology we need to get there. Whatever the mind can imagine, just anything you can think of in design, we can build it. I'm Dan Ditzel, manufacturing engineer at Northrop Grumman.